The best part of traveling is meeting people you would otherwise never get to know. And today we are headed to another beautiful place, Devarayanadurga Hills, just 75 kilometers from Bangalore. It is also known as DD Hills. Devarayanadurga is a beautiful hill station located near the Tumkur district, situated at an elevation of 4,000 feet. It is known for its famous trekking, wonderful climate and scenery. It is the perfect weekend getaway from Bangalore. You'll know that you're almost reaching your place as soon as you see the first viewpoint below the hills. After a quick stop, I started my journey to the top of the hills. The roads were scenic and in great condition. I enjoyed every bit riding through these roads. What's up, people? My name is David Frank. Welcome back to my channel, Dave Vlogs. We're on another ride today. You should have seen me take the scenic route to the place, and we're at DD Hills. The place is amazing, guys. I really enjoyed the ride. I wish I could take off my helmet, enjoy the breeze and ride, but yeah, always wear helmet. It's very important. The highest point that we could bring your vehicles here. Right now I've parked my bike here, but yeah, the place is really amazing. I'm excited to take a lot of drone shots here. See y'all in the video. I quickly set up my drone, started flying it, but something unexpected was waiting for me. God's grace, I was able to control my drone and bring it to a safe landing. Once I landed the drone, I quickly did a flight check, made sure nothing was damaged, and then prayed to the Almighty and flew again. Met some amazing people who had also come to visit the place. I also met some YouTubers there. We helped each other shoot drone shots for ourselves. It was great knowing them. Helping out another YouTuber to shoot a video. Bro.
Yeah, hi, my name is Likit. So it's good to meet David. He is my savior today. He's capturing a drone shot for me.
Yeah, guys, this is actually his drone. It's a higher version. It's the DJI Air 2. So yeah, he's trusting me and giving me the drone to get a drone shot, so let's help him out.
So monitor.
It was amazing meeting Likit. The name of his channel is Travel and Thoughts. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Please do subscribe to his channel and support him. We were planning to take a group drone shot, and a policeman arrives at the scene and asks us to leave as soon as possible. So we quickly got the drone shot and left the place. I hope you'll like the video. Y'all know the drill. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you can see my future videos. Thank you, guys. Signing off, David. What do I always say about helping? You can always expect them back. There was no ATM on the way, and the person did not have a UPI payment, but a rider helped me buy a drink. I paid him back, but yet he helped me.